me, Romwe. Y'all a shoe company now? Okay.
I can't go out. I'm sick.
Boo, you whore. Hi, you guys. We are back with another video. We are doing a unboxing with Romwe. I'm excited. I have a lot of clothes. I'm probably gonna split it up into 2 parts. So I'm gonna do fall now, and then the next video will be more fit and active wear. And I'll tell you guys why I got pieces of that in the next video. We are gonna do our fall, and let's get right into it. Hey, like, it's a lot. Let me show y'all. Oh, okay. It's a lot. Okay, so we are going to get into it, and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, babe, so let's get right into it. So I'm not going to show me opening up each item because unfortunately not each item says Romwe on it, and they don't want me to show, you know. So we are going to get right into the first item. I'm excited. I told y'all we are going to be having a lot of unboxings, okay? So let's get right into it. Yes. Aren't these so cute? I don't know the name of anything, but I will put it in the description box below. And literally the medium fits perfect, like around the waist and everything. But you see the details? These are so cute. They fit. When I say perfect, you know, Romwe is secretly a hit or miss as well. So I'm here to help you guys with your online review / try on. And these are definitely to be in everybody's wardrobe for the fall and winter time. It is double layered. So you see there is a denim underneath. Let me come a little closer so you guys can see. It's like a denim underneath. You can wear this in the fall and winter without stockings or, you know, something to make you more warm. It definitely does what it needs to do. Now this is what the back looks like. These are so cute. I didn't get a lot of tops this time. I just got a lot of denim and bottoms because I'm kind of low on my bottoms for the fall. So this is the second pair that I got. This light wash. They are wide-legged, which I love. I'm getting into the wide leg. It's giving more street sporty. I'm so over the skinny jean tight fit. I'm over that. So this is the vibe for the fall. Let me go try these on. Give me a sec. Okay, so these are in a large, and they definitely run small. I'm not gonna lie. The waist is not tight on me, but if you aren't like in the small medium family, then this might not work. I'm not sure if these are in an extra large on Romwe, but I will put these in the description box below. But this is such a nice little, you know, regular basic light wash wide denim. They're kind of a little short, and I'm 5'3", so if you are a tall girl or taller than 5'3", these are gonna be kind of like high waters on you, because they come to the floor, but I do feel like they aren't like mall, if you know what I mean, like the other jeans that I had on a few minutes ago. This is the last thing that I got clothes wise. And I got this oversized vest that I've been wanting for a while. It gotta puff up a little bit because it's been inside, you know, flat and stuff. But this is in a size small. Isn't it so cute? Now, I'm not gonna lie, it looked thicker on the website than it feels right now. Oh, the pockets are up high. I really love the pockets. This is really cute. Now you're gonna have to layer this up You cannot wear this with like a little tee or a light sweater. You might have to wear a real hoodie or crew neck with this. But it's so cute. They have drawstrings underneath, so you can make it a little tighter. You know, on the sides, which we love. We love like a little cinch waist, okay? Make it a little bit more puffy. Yes. A little closer for you guys so you can see the details. I'm trying not to get my lip gloss on it, but I'm gonna close the collar up so you can see how high it goes. But this is so cute. I'm so happy with my purchase. You know, like I said, very much hit or miss, but I got some hits this time and I'm excited. Okay, so I got a couple of pair of shoes, so let me show you guys those. Get into that. I don't know if you guys have shopped shoes on Romwe, but they definitely do have some good stuff. You just have to search through. Okay, so the first pair of shoes that I got, now, I don't know the name, like I said, but I'll put everything in the description box. Aren't these so cute? Now, I know y'all like, what the hell, but they're so different. With like a little cute, like with what I have on now. But yes, this is cute. Now, the only thing I would say is that these do run small. I got my size, but they are kind of small on me, I'm not gonna lie, unfortunately, and I really do like them, so I might not be able to wear any socks with them, unfortunately, even though there is fur on the inside, but that really wasn't my plan, you know. But yes, aren't these so cute? They do actually feel better without socks on. I'm not gonna lie. I might be able to get away with it. Yeah, I might be able to get away with it without socks on, but with socks on, they are extremely tight, like ridiculously. But yes, can you guys get the vibe with the pants? Like, it's given like, oh my God, what do you have on your feet? But it's like, shh, you know, they Romwe type vibe. They aren't like, what am I trying to say? Like, they don't feel cheap, but I'm pretty sure this isn't real patent leather, you know? Like faux patent leather. Yes, these are so cute. Like, they're so cute. So for the next shoes, I got these. I thought that these were definitely something that you haven't seen before, especially the heel part. Like, I really fell in love with this, but this is like literally my favorite part of the shoe. But regardless, I am definitely into cowboy boots right now, but really I'm into pointy toe right now as well. So I was like, yes, this is such a cute, different shoe that you aren't gonna see everybody have. Remember my last video when I told you I'm not trying to look like nobody, I'm not trying to dress. So I got these in a size 7 as well, and they fit perfect, literally. Like, I have some extra room so I can wear some thick socks if I choose to. But yes, do you like how they look with the pants? I think they are super cute with the light wash. And me with is super cute, right? I gotta find a new word to say. But this is very stylish. Obviously not the top. The top is giving basic, but like the shoe with the light wash jean is giving, you know, a little dress up. I know y'all like, you got this on Romwe? Yes, girl. We got these on Romwe. Aren't they so cute? Y'all a shoe company now? Tell me, Romwe, y'all a shoe company now? Okay. Let's get into the last pair. This is the last item for the video. But like I said, there is more to come, okay? Now, these are so adorable. I'm like trying not to say cute, right? They need to get out the box a little bit so they can form a shape and won't be bended down. But what? Like, Romwe, y'all a shoe company? What? Stop playing with them. And then look at the heel. The heel is really cute, but it's, you know, minuscule. Not a kitten, but definitely not like a 6-inch. They're really comfortable because they're not too high. I definitely could wear these all night secretly. They give them comfortability, but like sexy at the same time, right? Aren't these such a sexy shoe? Yeah, y'all need to go run to Romwe and see if they still have these available, because these belong in every girl's closet, especially if you're a shoe girl but don't want to spend too much. These are given. But yes, I'm so excited. I love these. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below how you feel about the shoes, because like I said, is Romwe a shoe company now? They giving like they know what they're doing with the shoes and with the clothes. So yes on that. Comment below your favorite piece. Mine was the first pair of the jeans. Those, I'm obsessed. Like, I'm gonna have to style those immediately, if you know what I mean. But yes, I hope to see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me, and I'll see you in my next one.